Real quick video to show you my 1969 Chevelle. I've owned this car since I was in college in 1995. See, my fuel gauge isn't working. I'll have to fix that. Runs on electric fans, controlled by a toggle switch right now. It's a factory 5-passenger car, and it's an automatic, so it has a center console and a staple shifter. The interior needs some work. The door panels are warped and torn. The dash is cracked. The carpet is deteriorating. The headliner stitching started deteriorating. The rear seat, it has seat covers on it which somebody made. I have no idea what's under it. Like I said, the door panels are worn and warped. The outside of the car, we got surface rust on the top and deep rust on the rear quarters, as well as the door area and the front fender. I took off the 14-inch wheels. I replaced them with 15x6 well drag lights up front and 15x10 in the rear with 5.5 inches of back spacing to make them tuck in better. The engine, that's an original Chevy 350 engine, backed by a automatic 350 transmission. I removed the cast iron intake and put in this Edelbrock, old style Edelbrock Performer that a good friend of mine gave to me. The carburetor, it had a 2-barrel carburetor. I changed it out for a 4-barrel Rochester. Points distributor, I got rid of that and put an HEI distributor. I changed it over to an internal regulator alternator. It's nothing fancy, it's maybe an 85 amp. I added a late model Impala electric fans to it. They're not the prettiest thing, but they get the job done. My radiator went out, so I added a big block radiator. My the front end needed a lot of work, so I completely rebuilt the front end. Bushings on the control arms, inner and outer tie rods, center link, ball joints, sway bar bushings, sway bar links. Did the whole thing. Added disc brakes to the front. The car originally had power drum brakes all around, so I swapped that out for front disc brakes only. The car has some body damage on this side, especially the door. It's also got rust on this side, lower fender area in the rear quarter. A few dents on there. It's got rust around the back window. It's got some rust around the lip of the trunk. Other than that, the trunk's pretty solid. It's not bad. I relocated the battery to the trunk with welding cables from my local welding supply. a differential. It's a 10 bolt open differential, 8.2 inch. Hopefully in upcoming videos we can change that out for something with a posi. Either upgrade that one or change it out. But that's my old Chevelle, 69 Chevelle Sport Coupe. Hopefully I'll be able to put more videos out, and whatever upgrades or whatever repairs I do to it, hopefully I can share with you. And thanks for watching.